Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Don Hule, and in this video I'm coming to help you to explore another local scholarship in Ghana. Okay, so this particular scholarship for both those who have gained admission freshly to the university or in tertiary institution in the country and those who have already in the schools continuing their academic ladder. Okay, so in this video I'm coming to help you to explore the entire opportunities, and then I'll take you through how to fill the forms correctly so that you do not get missed out on any of the steps or make a mistake in any of the steps during the application process. Okay, so as you can see, this is a local scholarship. Actually this particular scholarship does not specify the things or the benefits you get if you are enrolled or you are a beneficiary of this particular scholarship, but the things that we need before you can do the application are all stated here. Okay, so it's for both postgraduates and undergraduates, but these things are just the same, the procedures are just the same. So I will take you through the undergraduate one. Those who want to apply for the postgraduate one to can follow suit and then get through the entire process. But mind you, the deadline of the application is on what, 31st January 2023. Okay, so this video I'm creating it on what, 21st December 2022. Already the application has started what, 12 December 2022, which means that I am already 9 days late into creating of this video. So once you get on it, follow on it, and then try and do it quick as you can. All right, so these are the documents we need before we can do the application. What, scanned copy of application letter. That is the letter that the school has given to you that you have gotten admission to the school, which contains the amount you're supposed to pay, the bank account you are supposed to use, the duration of program and all that. Then you need a proof of your nationality, that is your national ID card here, which can be a passport, NHIS or Ghana card. Then we have our application letter clearly stating the program duration, just like it's still come back to this what application letter here. Then approved scheduled fees. All right, so the amount you're supposed to pay to the school or the institution as your school fees and other things combined are what, the approved scheduled fees. All right, then the certificate that you need is what, WASI, which is CTVET, the same as NAP test. Those who had NAP test is the same as what, the CTVET. The CTVET, as the NAP test has just been changed last year into what, CTVET. All right, then any other recognized certificate by any tertiary institution in Ghana or the Tertiary Education Commission in Ghana, CTEC. All right, then this part is for those who are already continuing with the school and then they want to apply, maybe those who are in level 100 now, which have moved to level 200, or those who are in level 300 and then they are moving to level 400, you want to apply for this particular scholarship, you can take an advantage of this as well. But when you do your application, you need what, academic transcript of your previous term. Okay, so you need to go into your school administration and take your what, academic transcript and load it during the application process. This part is for those who have what, some certificates already but they want to do a top up to gain a stronger certificate, which is the degree we are all seeking to get. All right, so after knowing all this, we don't need to waste much time, so I'll take you straight to the application portal and then we start with the entire application process. So I might just to click on what, apply now. So once I click on apply now, I'll wait for small, my portal will load shortly and then the details will display. All right, so this is me here on application portal. So this is where I'll be filling in the entire details. All right, so if you are new to this portal, you haven't done the application yet, then yours is just to register an account. So you have to create an account first, but if you already register an account, there's no need to register in a different account again. You just to go straight forward and what, go to the login side, fill in your details, click on login, and then you log into the portal and then start with the entire process. All right, so now let's go straight forward. I'm starting, so mine is there to input the persons who I'm going to do the scholarship for, but this is just an example, so I'm just going to use any name at all, but the names will not be visible. Then I'll input what, the email. All right, so in creating the password, please, the password should be at least 12 characters. All right, it should be mixed with an alphabet, figures, then special format, or it can be an exclamation mark, a full stop, or anything. It should be mixed with, and then there should be what, an uppercase letter. All right, there should be an uppercase letter. So I'm going to create my password in this case. So I'm done creating my password. All right, so mine is just to click on what mine is to toggle this button which have shown that I've accepted all the terms and conditions of the application, and then I move down to accept the fact that the email I provided is correct, and then the number I'm going to provide as well is also correct. So any information that needs to be communicated to me can be sent to me through via my email or any other platform which is through SMS my number. So I'll come down here and toggle it. Then I'll scroll up and click on what register. Then I'll wait for my account to be registered. Once it's done registering, so at this point a mail will be sent to me directly. But since I'm doing this application for someone and the person is not with me, I've just confirmed from the person that the person has received a mail from GetFund Scholarship, okay, stating out some other credentials which I need not to share in this video. So I'll leave the link to this particular portal in the description box. You can just click on it straight for it takes you to the application portal, but make sure you are done watching the video so that you do not get stuck along the line. So at this point I need to create a profile picture. So I'm just going to load the person's profile picture and then we move on. Alright, after loading a picture, I'll then select the remaining part of the information that I need. So I just click on what? Select the gender, the person is a female, then I'll select the date of birth. The date of birth would be invisible for security reasons sake. So after inputting the person's date of birth, I'll now move straight forward to inputting the postal address. Okay. So after inputting the postal address, I need to select the region where the postal address is located. But this particular one is located at Keta, so I'm going to select Keta, which will be voter region. Then I'll input the person's number. Okay, so having done inputting the person's number, it means that I'm done creating the account, the profile now. So I just click on what complete profile and then wait for a while for the portal to update. So once it's done updating, then I'm starting with what the main application form. Okay, so after you are done logging in, a mail will be sent to your Gmail account. So you have to go to your Gmail account and confirm as to whether your Gmail account is very active. So this is my Gmail account here. So let's just to click on what confirm. Okay, so once you click on confirm, it will take you to a portal here. Then the mail itself will be confirmed. If that is not confirmed, you cannot continue with the application process. Okay, so it looks like my network is a little bit low, so let me close it. And then I've already confirmed it, so I just come down here. So if you didn't confirm, there will be it's an indication that you have not verified the form, so you cannot continue. So in this case, since I have already confirmed it, might just click on what start application. I'm doing it for undergraduate. Okay, so if you are applying for postgraduate, you can click on start application for postgraduate. If you are doing it for undergraduate, click on what start application here. So once I click on it, then I'll wait for a while for the portal to load. Then I'll start with my application process. Okay, all right, so the start has come. So I am doing the application for undergraduate. So you can see here, this is the person's name, and the program the person is applying for is what diploma. Okay, so if you are applying for undergraduate degree, which is bachelor's, if you are applying for high national diploma, or which is HND, or any certificate that falls in this category, just choose it. But in this case, person is applying for diploma, so I select diploma. So I'll click on, then I'll click on I confirm I have required supporting documents to complete my undergraduate scholarship application. All right, so when you are done, just scroll down and click on save and next. Then you wait for the second portal to open. So they'll ask, do you have any other name? No, not have any other name. Do you have any other Gmail or any other email? No. Then do you have any other number? No. Are you able to be contacted by telephone? This part is optional, but I would just say it can be contacted by only by telephone call, SMS, or any by telephone call and text message. I'll choose the first one. Then I'll click on save and next. So this application process is actually very easy, but there are some of the things that you cannot do on yourself. So if you cannot do it, just pick up my number in the description box, send me an email or WhatsApp me. I'll take you through the process. Okay, so you need an identification card, which is your Ghana card. So you click on Ghana card here, then I'll go and load my Ghana card. Your Ghana card should be in a PDF form and it shouldn't be more than 1 megabyte. Okay, it shouldn't be more than 1 megabyte. So I'll go straight and then load the Ghana card here. So I'll wait for the Ghana card to finish loading. Okay, so once it's done loading, I'll click on save and next. Okay, so this part, if in case you read this part and then you know that you can't continue since you don't have the Ghana card in a PDF form, or you are loading it and you are finding it difficult, click on not save and close and come back, get the PDF in a required format and load it. Okay, if you do not get that, just contact me, I'll help you do it. Or if you want to replace it as well, you can just click on replace and then you replace it. So I'll click on save and next. Then undergraduate scholarship category is still diploma. Then the school you've applied for, my sister is at Keta NMTC, so Nurses and Midwifery Training College, Keta. Keta. So when I get this, I'll select the program the person is pursuing, which is what RGN, Registered General Nursing. Then the course type, which is science regular. Okay, so after doing this, I'll click on the program duration, which is going to be 36 months because it's 12 months. 12, but it's offering a 3-year program, so it's going to be 36. 12 times 3 will be 36. Then academic year is 2022-2023 academic year. Okay, so I'll click on save and continue. Okay, or save and next. Then I'll continue with the application process. All right. So student type, you are the secondary school student and will ask you for the certificate type is WASI. Then the region of the school, Bono region. Name of the school, Bonoman Senior High School. Then the program studied is general art. Why? The year of completion is 2021. All right. So 2021. It was in, I think, 4th October. No, I think they closed 6th October. All right. Then at this part, I'm coming to load her certificate. Okay, so I'll go straight again and load the certificate here to academic. So if you don't have the main certificate, the first part is for the results. So if you don't have the main certificate, you can just load the results slip at the 2 parts and then you move on with the program. Okay, you move on with the distance. Just continue with the application process. So I'll allow it to finish processing, then I'll know whether it is successful or not. Okay, so it's successful now, so I just click on save and continue. Then I'll wait for the next portal to load. So here I'm required to load the supporting document, which is the admission letter, fee schedules, a scholarship application letter, then other documents. So I'll just click on this place, load. Then the first one is what? Admission letter. I'll load it, select admission letter here. The next one, I'll click on it, and then I'll select the school fees. That is the bill form, school fees, fee schedules. Then the next one is the result. Again, then the next one. Alright, so I am done. I am done with the process now. So I just click on save and next. So at this point, I'm done with loading all the documents and the entire application process. So I just click on what? Submit, and then I'll wait for the application to be submitted. Alright, so it's submitting. Alright, so I am done with the entire application process now. So at this juncture, they'll send me a mail again. Alright, so this is a mail that I have completed my application process. So they have written there, Abayat, your application has been successfully submitted and now reviewing. So They have given some other details here, and that's all. So this is how to go about the entire application process for this particular scholarship, and this is how to go about it successfully. If you don't, if you in case so if in case you got lost on the way, pick up my number, contact me, or if you find it difficult, just contact me and I'll take you through the entire process. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. But please remember and share this video with a friend. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.